Hi folks, 21st Century Caveman here. I hope everybody's well, I hope everybody's happy. So I'm here with my vacuum cleaner. This is a Titan vacuum cleaner which I purchased about a year ago from Screwfix. I will be doing a review on this item very shortly, but I need to just effect some minor repairs on this. Basically the bloody castors keep coming off it, which is really annoying, and I can't really use it again until I fix these castors. Now I have tightened up these screws which secure these to the drum several times, but it's got to the point where they're not actually doing the job anymore. So basically I'm just going to glue the castors back into place. So with that said, I'll reset the camera and I'll get back to you. Now this vacuum cleaner, incidentally, I've attached the pipe, so this is the cable that comes with it, sorry, this is the hose that comes with it, but this pipe work here is from another vacuum cleaner, because the one that comes with it is basically very flimsy plastic and it's not very strong, so I've replaced it with an old one which fortunately I had the foresight to keep. So let's just chuck that to one side for a moment. So I just want to show you how these castors connect to the base of this drum. So that's what they look like. I'll just zoom in. So here we go, look. So just inside, I don't know whether you can see it, there's a little lip there, look. I'll put it against that lighter background. And what you need to do is to, and also you've got a little bolt there, look, with a washer. Basically the object is to fit the edge of this into this groove and then just basically tighten this bolt up here, look, and the theory is that it should hold that in place. The reality is it doesn't bloody work. So at the moment then, two of these castors have come off. So I'm just going to do some very basic prep work on the drum. I'm going to rough up the areas where I need to glue these back, both on the drum and also on here, and then I'm going to just super glue them in place, and hopefully that should do the trick. I think it will actually. I mean, it's, you know, it's a pain and you shouldn't have to do this, but the fact is, in order to make this usable, I need to do that, so I just need to crack on with it really. So anyway, I'm just going to do some prep work on here. And I thought I'd just take a quick vid and just show you what I'm doing, basically, in case there's somebody out there who has a similar problem either with this item or a similar item, and just wants to see how I've tackled this particular problem. So the first thing I want to do then is to identify where I'm actually going to secure this caster. So it's going to be around here. It's going to mark it with a pencil, because what I'm going to need to do, because this material is so slippery and smooth, I want to rough it up basically using a bit of sandpaper. So there's a key here for it to for the glue to stick to. So the next thing we need to do then is just rub on the inside here, look, where it's going to adhere to the drum, just to rough it up a bit. Once again, to give it a key for the adhesive to stick onto. Now doing this sort of thing will of course invalidate almost certainly the guarantee. And to be fair, I don't want to take this vacuum back to Screwfix. You know, it's not a bad vacuum cleaner, but and it's very good for you know, DIY applications, that sort of stuff. So I don't want to take it back. And even if I do take it back and get another one, then undoubtedly I'm going to have the same problems. So just give that a bit of a clean. Now, I'm not too bothered at this stage about doing anything with these bolts because, you know, they serve little if any purpose, to be honest with you. Bloody useless. I mean, they're supposed to secure this plastic caster to the underside of the rim, but like I say, they're very ineffective. This is not a good design at all, it's pretty crap. So the glue I'm going to be using then is a super glue from Bostik. This stuff here, look, bought it from B&M Bargains. I was in there the other day. So I'm trying to, there we go. And cost £1 a piece. I've used this before, it's actually very good. The gel is better because with the liquid stuff it just tends to run off, whereas the gel it's easier to apply and it will stay in place. But you know, for what it costs, this is going to be a very cheap way to repair this item here, okay? In contact with both surfaces. Let's get in there quickly. That seems to be sticking quite nicely. So let's just turn it round and do the other one. Just going to press that in there for a couple of minutes. Hold it there. It's sticking nicely already actually. And the other one's already stuck solid, so that's great. So we're just going to leave that now then, just to set.